What's up, everybody? It's Fred with Uller Provides. We are actually going back to a hut this trip. It is going to be an awesome experience. I got my friends Joe and Andrew right here. Both are newbies to huts.
Yeah, that's right.
You guys excited? We were just talking about the importance of good gear, whether it be an awesome coat like a Patagonia or a fat bag like the Gregory.
That's right.
Spend it once, do it right, and know what you're getting yourself when you're on your trip. Otherwise, you'll find yourself out there cold because the coat doesn't do well, or uncomfortable because the pack doesn't have adjustment points. Anyway, hey, it's gonna be an awesome good time. We're gonna enjoy ourselves up here. We'll take more video. Not exactly sure when you're gonna get to see this, because probably not gonna have signal much longer. So anyway, hey guys, that's it for now. Pray for snow. Celebrate when Uller provides. Hey, what's up everyone? So we're right near in our halfway point on our way to the section house. And what we're reaching up to is what's called the banker's tank. Now the banker's tank was where they filled the steam engines on the way up and over this pass that we're on. Ultimately, this was a railroad. Boreas Pass Road was a railroad that was used to bring ore from Leadville down to Denver for processing. So anyway, thought it was kind of cool place. The views, absolutely incredible. I mean, everywhere we're looking, we've got beautiful views. So you think I'm messing with you? You see people. You see people without a pack. All right, almost 5 hours later, to the top of the pass, we have our first sighting of the cabin. Section house. Was created in 1892 and was here for the people that were servicing this section of the railroad, hence the name Section House. It's converted in the late 90s of 1990, 100 years later, into the cabin that is now available in the hut system, reserved through the 10th Mountain Division, but part of the actual Summit Hut group. Yeah, baby, we're here! Woo! But anyway, let's go inside. We got coffee brewing, and it'll be on here in just a few moments. Check it out. Coffee ready?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby. Coffee's ready. I hear it's ready. Water pot, melt snow for our water. And we're all getting ready to do a little hiking, so it'll be a lot of fun.